Okay, my next question is, why did they kidnap Red John? Why did they kidnap Johnny? Yes? Hurry up. Why did the kidnappers kidnap Johnny? You don't know? Yes, Johnny kidnapped, the Sam and Bill, both kidnappers kidnapped him because they wanted to get $2,000. And why did they need that money? Hurry up, give me the answer. Why did the kidnappers need $2,000 more? You don't know? Okay, so I'm going to give turn to Kritigya. I have unmuted you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am,
Why did the kidnappers, why did they need $2,000 more?
Ma'am, they need $2,000 more because they want to buy a land in Alabama.
Okay, so my dear students, they wanted to buy a land in Illinois. Okay, so that's why they needed $2,000 more. Okay, so my next question is, where did they took the boy? Where did they took the boy after kidnapping? So I'm going to give turn to. Okay, next I'm going to give turn to Shivain. Shivain, please give me the answer. Shivain.
Please repeat the question. Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Question is, where did the kidnappers take the boy?
Ma'am, in the den.
Yes, they took the boy to the.
Ma'am, in the den.
They took the boy to the cave.
Den.
Here was the cave. Here was behind the mountains. Is it clear or not clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now my next question is, what did the boy start doing there? What did the boy start doing there? You just try, think over it. What did the boy start doing there? The boy started irritating them. And whom he irritated the most? Can you tell the name of that person? Whom he irritated the most? Hurry up. Yes. Yes. Bill. Yes. Bill. Yes. He started teasing and he started Bill the most. Okay. Sit down, please. And you know what? How many incidents were there when he irritated them? He irritated the kidnappers. There were 3 major incidents. What was the first incident? What was the first? When Johnny tried to cut off the top part of the scalp of Bill. And you know what was the second incident? Do you remember? The second incident was when he put a red hot tomato down his back. Okay, and what was the third incident? When an egg-sized rock hit behind Bill's left ear. Is it clear or not clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now, my dear students, they were too much irritated and they wanted to get rid of that boy. Okay, what did they decide? Then they decided to write a letter to Dorset Ebenezer, his father. Okay, so what did they wrote? What did they write? So they wrote that they needed $1,500. Okay, they needed $1,500, and they would send his son back. Okay, and what was the reply from Dorset? What was the reply from Dorset Ebenezer? Was he agree to give the money? Was he agree to give the money? Yes, Divyanshi? Yes, very good. He was not ready to give the money. So my dear students, you know what? Why was he not ready to give the money? Because he knew his son well. And what did he know about him? He knew that his son was so much irritating, and the kidnappers would get irritated and automatically would send him back. And even, you know what happened? Now let's see. So Dorset, so what did the Dorset do? So he wrote a letter to the kidnappers And what did he demand? He demanded yes, Divyanshi, $250. Very good. Clap for her, Divyanshi. Very good. So Ebenezer Dorset made an offer to the kidnappers. And you know what? The offer was that now the kidnappers would pay $250, okay, to them and to him. And after that, he would take his son back. उसने बोला, अब तुम मुझे, you just give $250 to me. And after that, I'll take my son, okay, back. Otherwise, you just take my son. I don't need him because he was so much irritating, okay? Now here I'm going to read. So what happened when he refused to give the money, okay? So I'm going to read page number 126. So Bill, Sam, what's $250? After all, we have got the money. One more night of this boy will drive me crazy. I think Mr. Dorset is making us a good offer. You are not going to let the chance go, are you? So you know what happened? So Bill, who was actually much afraid and who was actually irritated of the boy, okay, he was sick of him and he wanted to get rid of him. So what he said to Sam? He said, please accept the offer, okay? And let the boy go. We don't want to keep that boy. Why? Because he thought that if they would keep one more day, if they would keep that boy one more day, so they would go crazy. वो तो पागल ही हो जाएंगे. उसने बोला, you just give $250 to him and please मेरी जान छुड़ाओ उससे. Is it clear or not clear? Is it clear? Who was much irritated? Bill. Why was he so much irritated? Because Johnny, what he did with him? So he just made him frightened by his activities. उसने क्या किया था उसके साथ? He put red hot potato down his back, and what he did is he tried to cut off his top part of his head. Okay, so he thought, take him away. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. So I'm going to read next. Sam, tell you truth, Bill, this little lamb has got on my nerve too. We'll take him home, pay the ransom, and make our get way. What's that mean? So its mean is, so Bill, when he heard, actually he was also irritated. Okay, he felt irritated, and he felt so much irritated that he thought that they would definitely send that boy back to his father. Okay, उसने बोला हम तो इसको पैसे देंगे और अपनी जान छुड़ाएंगे और we'll take him home, we'll send him back home and pay the ransom. हम पैसे दे देंगे, we'll just give the money and अपनी जान छुड़ा लेंगे इससे और हम घर वापस चले जाएंगे. Is it clear or not clear? So Bill and Sam look at each other with a sigh of relief. How did they look at each other? कम से कम हमारी जान तो छूटेगी. We'll get rid of him. Clear or not clear? Clear, Pranav? Okay, Sam. We took him home that night. Now Sam actually was narrating a story to the stranger. So you know what he told him? He told him that we decided to send that boy home. Okay, we decided to send that boy back to home. So we got him to go by telling him that his father had bought him a gun and we were going to hunt bears the next day. It was 12 o'clock when we knocked on Ebenezer's front door. Bill counted out $250 into Dorset's hand. When the boy learned we were planning to leave him at home, he started to cry loudly and held himself as tight as he could to Bill's leg. His father pulled him away slowly. So what happened in this paragraph? So Sam told the stranger, so it was not an easy task to send that boy back to his home. उस बच्चे को उसके घर भेजना, it was not an easy, it was too much difficult. So you know what? So Sam told him that You know, how did we make him ready? So he just find a solution, and he just found out a solution. And what was the solution? They thought a plan. Okay, what did they say to that boy? They told him that, you know what, your father had bought a new gun, and we were going to so what we are doing, we are going to take that gun. Okay, and you know what, we'll take that gun from your home, and the very next day we will go for hunting. This is how they made a plan. This is how they made him ready to go back to his home. उसने बोला आपके पापा ने एक बहुत बढ़िया गन लिया है, and you know what, we are going there to get that, and next day हम shooting पे चलेंगे. So okay, the boy got ready. Okay, so what happened? Bill counted $250, and what he did, he put in he just gave that money to his father. Okay, and at the same time, the boy, he was having doubt. You know what he thought? They were about to leave him at home. उसने सोचा ये तो मुझे घर वापस छोड़ रहे हैं. So what he decided to do, he at once clinged with the legs of Bill. वो तो Bill की legs के साथ चिपक गया. Actually, he did not want to go back home. वो तो घर नहीं जाना चाहता था. Why? Because he was enjoying the company of the two kidnappers. Why? Because he was considering himself as the red chief, and he was ill-treating them. Okay, he was teasing them. So he was actually enjoying, because he did not like to go to school, and he liked camping outside. Okay, उसने कहा ये तो बड़ा मजा आ रहा है, ऐसे लग रहा है कि जैसे मैं कैंप में हूँ और enjoy कर रहा हूँ. Is it clear or not clear? Fine. So let's see what happens. What happened next? So Dorset is holding on the boy very tightly. अब Dorset जो था उसने अपने बेटे को जोर से खींचा. Okay, Sam and Bill are attempting to make their way. और वो क्या कर रहे हैं? What they were trying at the same time, they were trying to get rid of him. वो उससे जान छुड़ाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. So Bill, you just imagine the situation when the boy is not ready to go back home. Father is pulling him towards himself, and what the kidnappers are doing, they are trying to make their way. They are trying to run away from that boy. Is it clear or not clear? Clear? So just try to imagine the situation, how much funny it is. So Bill, how long can you hold him? Bill ne bola, you tell, please tell how much time. Okay, so you tell the time, so you that you can hold him up. Okay, so Dorset said, I am not as strong as I used to be, but I think I can promise you 10 minutes. Okay, he said, you know what, guys, I am not a strong person now. Okay, I'm the old one, so I just can hold him up within, I can just hold him with 10 minutes. Okay, so what you can do, you just can run as fast as you can. Okay, so he actually made an offer. He made an offer by saying that he would just hold the boy for only 10 minutes, and within that 10 minutes they would have to run. और उनको क्या करना पड़ेगा? भागना पड़ेगा, अपनी जान छुड़ानी है तो. Bill confidently, enough. In 10 minutes, I shall cross the central, southern, and middle western states and be running for the Canadian border. Bill starts running, and Sam quickly follows behind him. Scene changes back to present. Sam, and as dark as it was, and as fat as Bill was, and as good a runner as I am, he was a good mile and a half out of summit before I could catch up with him. Now, you know what happened? Within 10 minutes, Bill said, 10 minutes? Enough for me. So what he did within 10 minutes? What he did? He crossed the Canadian border. He crossed the border. It means he ran as fast as he could. तो इतनी तेज दौड़ा जितनी दौड़ वो भाग सकता. And who was following him? Sam. Sam was following him, and both just crossed the Canadian border, and they just ran away from there. Is it clear or not clear? How was the chapter? It was funny? Tell? Okay, you enjoyed it? I really enjoyed it. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's see. Let's check but you know about the story and each and everything. Okay. So here I'm going to give you 1 minute. Okay. So first exercise we are going to do, that is, who said these words to whom? Hey little boy, would you like to have a bag of candy and nice ride? Yes, Kanishka. Bill to whom? Johnny. When they made an offer to give him, kya offer tha? What was the offer? To give him candy and ride, because they wanted to kidnap that boy. Okay. Next. Hey paleface, do you dare to enter the camp of Red Chief, the terror of plains? So I'm going to give turn to Karthik. Karthik, I have unmuted you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, dear. Please give me the answer. Hurry up. Who said this statement to whom?
Ma'am, little boy Johnny said to Sam.
He said to Sam. Very good. Big clap for you.
Ma'am.
Very good. Okay, now my next question is, if your behavior does not improve, I'll take you straight home. Now, who said this line? Please, offline students. So, okay, there is a war between online students. Okay. Now, offline students. Let's see. Offline students. Okay. So first, who gave me the answer? First answer was given by Kanishka, offline students. Okay. So you have got one take. Okay. Now second question. Second question was given by offline student, online students. Okay, one take. So next I'm going to give turn to, if your behavior does not improve. Yes, you. Sam said to, yes, Sam said to Johnny. Big clap for him. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Very good. So one more tick. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So next, how long can you hold him? So I'm going to give turn to online students. Turn. So Bhavya. Bhavya, I've unmuted you, bache. Bhavya. Yes, next question, that is, how, we have already done 3 now? Yes, how long can you hold him? Who said this statement? So, Bhavya, Bill to have, okay, you tell, have we discussed statement number 3? Okay, who gave the answer then? Okay, yes, Bhavya, Bill to Dorset. Very good, Shabash. So online student, so 3 tick for you. And what about offline students? 2 tick. Okay. So I'm going to give turn to. Okay. So I'm not as strong as I used to be, but I think I can promise you 10 minutes. Okay, you Pranav. Dorset too. Very good. Big clap. Big clap. Yes. So 3 and 3? No. It's 2 and 3. Yes. So who is the winner? So offline students. Offline students are the winners. Very good. Okay, now this was the first round. Now let's go into the second round, okay? So what is the second round? Now let's do question answers of B part, okay? So online students and offline students, please get ready. And offline. So first question that I'm going to discuss, that is, why did Sam, okay, you know what? Chance will be given to both, online as well offline. I'll check whose answer is correct. Clear or not clear? So why did Sam and Bill choose to kidnap the son of Ebenezer Dorset? Yes, Divyanshi, you tell. Speak loudly, please. Very good, because they needed When the did is there in question, you have to give the answer in past tense. Okay. So need first form will be converted into second form. So they needed. Okay. So you will have to write the answer. Okay. Now online student. So Kritigya, I have unmuted you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Kritigya. Why did
Ma'am?
Sam and Bill choose to kidnap the son of Ebenezer Dorset?
Ma'am, because the answer is on page number 121.
Okay.
Bill and Sam thought that Ebenezer Dorset would pay a ransom of $2,000 to get his boy back.
Sorry.
Ma'am, the answer is Bill Driscoll and Sam thought that Ebenezer Dorset would pay a ransom.
No, bache,
of
your answer is not correct. So offline student. Divyanshi, you gave the answer. Her answer is correct. Okay, she scored mark. Okay. Now, let me clear what is the answer. The answer is Bill and Sam chose to kidnap the son of Ebenezer Dorset because they needed $2,000 to buy a land in Illinois. Or you can also write it in a different way. Okay. Like they needed $2,000 more for an illegal land deal in Illinois. Is it clear or not clear? It's given at page number 121. Okay. So now let's discuss another one. So question number second. I'm going to discuss question number second. That is, what was the boy's reaction when they told him that he would have to stay in the cave for a few days? What was the boy's reaction? So what was the boy's reaction? First, I'll give turn to offline students. What was the reaction of the boy? Pranav? Try to give me the answer, bache. It's very simple. No, only Divyanshi. You will give the answer. No. What are you doing? Kanishka? Bhavuk? Yes, you all? Okay. So I'm going to give turn to online students. Okay, Shiven? Okay, Karthik. Karthik, I have unmuted you. Karthik?
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, dear. Please give me the answer.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Karthik.
the boy's son replied that, all right, that will be fine. I never had such fun in all my life.
Okay, look, your answer is correct, Karthik, but it is not the right way. Okay, anybody else? So it's you. No. Okay, I'm going to give turn to Mehak. Wait, online students. आपने पहले hand नहीं raise किया. Mehak.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Answer, Mehak. Radhika,
Ma'am,
you're
the
laughing.
boy's
What's wrong there? Yes,
ma'am, the boy's reaction was very excited.
Okay, that's great. Your answer is correct. Now, tick for you. Okay, very good. Very good. So you can write the answer like this, that the boy became very excited as he did not have fun at home. He hated to go to school. He liked to camp out. Okay. What he liked? He liked to camp out. So what you have to write? That he became very excited because he did not have fun at home and he liked camping. Is it clear? Clear or not clear? So the third question, which I'm going to discuss with you. Now second आपका cross है. So team A or B. Okay, online and offline students. So next is, what incident broke Bill's spirit? Hurry up. Which incident broke Bill's spirit? Do you know the incident? Yes, hurry up, Pranav. Hurry up, hurry up. Very good. Very good. Very good. Shabash. Okay, I'm going to give turn to Raghav. Raghav, I have unmuted you. You just try to give me the answer. Raghav?
Ma'am, the
Yes.
answer is the incident which broke Bill's spirit was when the boy hit a rock the size of an egg
No, bache. It
to
was the
the
third incident. It was the third incident.
Bill
Okay?
near the
So your answer is not correct.
and
Raghav?
he fell across the frying pan
Raghav,
of hot
please
water.
mute yourself. Raghav, your answer is not correct. So Pranav's answer was correct. What he said, so it was the, you have to mention the first incident. So the question is, what broke Bill's spirit? What incident broke Bill's spirit? You know what happened? So how will you write this? You have to write when Red Johnny tried to cut off the top part of the Bill's head. At that time, Bill got afraid of him. Okay? Is it clear? And this broke his spirit. Is it clear or not clear? Clear? So you have to give the answer only in one line. Okay? You need not to explain the whole incident. Okay? Next question. So Pranav, offline student. So you discuss the third. Okay. Now the fourth. That is, why did Bill think that Dorset's offer was a good one? Very good. Bhavuk, you give me the answer. Okay, you just sit down. So you know what you can, okay, I'm going to give turn to, yes, Manmeet. Manmeet, I have unmuted you. Manmeet Kaur. Manmeet, bache? Why did Bill think that Dorset offer was a good one? Manmeet?
Dorset offer was a good one because if they will stay
So Manmeet, your
the
voice.
moonlight of this of Red Chief will make them crazy.
Okay, that's very good. Big clap for you. Okay, big clap for you, bache. So you have just discussed in a right way. So you have to explain. You have to write the answer like this. So you know, Bill thought that the Dorset offer was good one because the boy was very naughty and he irritated them so much that they wanted to get rid of that boy. So usne socha, give that money to him. We don't need, we just, you also can add one more line that he thought that if that one more day with that boy would make him crazy. So you also
Yes.
can add this line also. Is it clear? So now we are discussing the
Yes,
last
ma'am.
question. So last question is, how far did Bill say he could run in 10 minutes? So anyone else? No? You? What all are you doing in the class? Yes, you tell, give me the answer. It's very simple. How far did Bill say he could run in 10 minutes? Oh, it's very simple. Try to give me the answer, bache. Shabash. Very good, very good. Big clap for her. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. So question number 5. So offline students, 1, 2, 3, 4. And online students, only 1. Okay, okay, I can also give one. So next, so the answer is, if you can write in a simple way, then you can write like this. So Bill said that he could run, he could cross the Canadian border within 10 minutes. Clear? You can also give the answer in a simple way. You don't have need to write these all things. Okay? Is it clear? Pranav, sit properly, beta. You are very good student. Okay? So I hope everything is clear to you. Any doubt? Okay, now next, think and answer. Let's discuss think and answer. Why did not the kidnapping go according to plan? Why did the kidnapping did not go according to the plan? Yes, Pranav, you give the answer. The boy was very naughty. One of the reason. Very good. He was naughty and he irritated them so much that they wanted to get rid of that boy. Kanishka, baitho bachche, sit properly. And his father on the other side, he was also not ready to take his son back. Okay. So there were two or three things. First, you can write the boy was very naughty. Okay. And उसने क्या किया था? He ill-treated them. Or okay. So third, they wanted to get rid of that boy. On the other side, the father was not ready to give the money to take his son back. Okay. One more thing you can also note down. So the kidnappers wanted to get rid of that boy. वो खुद ही उससे जान छुड़ाना चाहते थे. Okay? Clear or not clear? So you have to develop the answer in your own words. Okay? Clear? The boy was naughty. He treated them badly, or you can write like this. He irritated them. Okay? So instead of this, you can he irritated them so much that they wanted to get rid of him. Okay. On the other side, the father was not ready to give the amount. Is it clear? Fine. Okay. Now next question. What do you think was funny about the play? Number of things are there. You just tell. Hurry up. Achha, you first you think whether the story is funny or not. Funny or not? Okay, you are saying yes. Now, please give me the reason for it. Hurry up, give me the reason for it. First, the boy was mischievous, naughty, notorious. Okay, the boy was naughty. Okay. Secondly, instead of being afraid, डरने की बजाय, he was afraiding the kidnappers. Okay. So you can write like this: instead of being afraid, okay, he made them afraid. Okay. One more thing. He irritated them again. He irritated them in many ways. Like he irritated them many times. So what next you can add? Okay. Last, please listen to me. The last thing I want to discuss, that the funny thing about the play was that instead of getting the ransom, the kidnappers had to pay the ransom to Dorset. Okay, is it clear or not? So funny thing तो यही थी ना बेटा. सबसे ज़्यादा funny क्या था कि वो एक छोटा सा बच्चा था. When they kidnapped, they thought the boy was small. What would he do? He would do nothing. Okay, we'll simply kidnap. We'll ask the money, and we'll just we'll just go. Okay, but you know what?